Today we begin with reproduction in humans for class 8th. Reproduction in human is one of the living feature of living beings. What is reproduction? One should know the definition of reproduction and why reproduction occurs. Reproduction occurs when a parent gives rise to the offsprings which are same as their parent. Now reproduction is of two types which occurs in nature. It is of two types. It is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction usually we find in lower classes like in amoeba or hydra, and sexual reproduction usually occurs where there is involvement of two sexes, that is male and female. That means there is an involvement of, in males there is an involvement of sperm and in female there is an involvement of ova. When sperm and ova they fuse, they form zygote. So this is sexual reproduction. Now asexual reproduction occurs when there is no interaction between the ova and sperm. There is no interaction. So that means a parent will produce offspring by various methods. We are discussing about asexual. A parent will produce offspring by various methods, such as first method is by binary fission. Binary fission. Now here you can give example of amoeba. There is no involvement of the two sexes. That means there is a parent. There is a one nucleus here. Now in this is amoeba. Now first there is a division of nucleus. The nucleus will elongate like this. It will elongate, and then this nucleus will divide into two. When it will divide into two, one portion will go here and the other portion of the nucleus will go here. Now there will be division of the body of the parent cell, now which will give rise to daughter cell. So one parent will through binary fission. One parent through binary fission. Binary fission means by means two. It will give rise to two. Fission means break. Fission means breakage. So breakage of the parent cell into two daughter cell is known as binary fission. Here you can see there is no involvement of sperm or ova or any type of sex involvement is there. There is no formation of zygote. There is only a simple binary division. That is, the nucleus divides into two. It will and then later the body or the cytoplasm will divide into two, and these two individuals or these two daughter amoeba are the two existing amoeba. Now the second method is budding. In budding we see that in this can be example, this we can see in hydra. There is a body here. Now in hydra we see that a bud grows from the side of the parent body. Any bud can grow, and from this will detach itself. Now this bud is going to detach from the parent. This is a parent. This is a parent organism. Now this bud which is arising from the parent will detach itself and it will grow into a proper hydra. So this is budding. Now this is known as budding. That means a bud is produced from any part or the side of the parent's cell or the parent, and this is going to grow into an individual hydra. Now the third is the regeneration. In regeneration, as the word say, regenerate meaning, now one thing is observed in hydra, that if you cut this hydra into several pieces, then each piece is capable, it will regenerate, it will multiply, it will regenerate and form, and has the capacity to form a new proper hydra. So this is regeneration. That means it has the capacity to regenerate itself even though you have cut the parent into 5 to 6 pieces. So each piece is capable enough to regenerate itself. That means to develop the whole body of an organism. This is regeneration, and this is all about the asexual reproduction. Next time we will deal with sexual reproduction that occurs in human beings. Thank you.